it's spring cleaning time, and that means I need to deal with a mess. I've been scavenging parts off of machines for months and just sort of throwing things in a pile on the shelf. And I'm gonna go through the motors and test them and sort them and put them in milk crates so that they can go on the shelf in some kind of organization instead of in a heap that might fall down if I take the wrong thing out of it. That means, of course, that we're going to have to test all manner of motors with all manner of wire on them. So to do that, I'm going to grab my danger pedal, and this is a test machine, or a test wire setup. So I have wired it up with a plug, a controller, and 2 alligator clips, which means it is absolutely unsafe for normal use. It is for testing only and has to be used with due care, but I can plug it in and attach these motor clips to, or these 2 alligator clips to any wires on any motor, which and check motor operation. So it's going to be a full afternoon of that. This is a generic looking motor. Doesn't even have the tag left on it, but it seemed to respond well to the pedal, so I'm gonna put a fresh drop of oil on these bearings for storage. Tiny drop on one side, tiny drop on the other. Give it a little spin there and set that aside in, because this is the universal style bracket, 2 holes on the side of this motor. So I'll set this in my bin of generic Japanese Class 15 machine motors, and then keep working. This machine, or this motor, is made in Canada, stamped Singer 330T on the end. I'm pretty sure it came out of a Touch and Sew. Let's see, it had a switch in the body of the machine. So let's pop her. Alright, so we've got the back side of our plug here has the white wire running into the motor body, and that, and then the other body, the other wire coming out of the motor body is this black one. So we'll just get that. Alright. Sounding real nice there. Set that aside in our pile of these vertical Singer motors. And then I've got, this is a Franklin tag motor, but this is a white made machine. It's got the cord from whatever lamp fixture is still hanging off of it. And this was a 3-prong plug for the cabinet. So the plug on the the cord was on the cabinet, and then there was a controller in the cabinet, and then the 3 prongs come up from the cabinet. So try those 2. Got nothing. 2 of these are connected to the motor, and one is the so must be there we go. Alright, that motor seems to be working well, so we'll just set that aside in our pile of whites, and I'm gonna keep grabbing motors off the heap and testing them out, and if I have any issues with any, we'll see about fixing them up before we put them back in storage, so that I know I've got a stack of motors that were good when they got put away. And this one also seems to have a lot of dust on it, so maybe I'll clean it a bit before I keep going. There we go.